What's up, vlog? We're back. The vlogs are back, and this is my dog, Blaze. Our dog.
Guys, I'm gonna kill myself. Why would you go this way? Austin, help me! No, the bottle! Hey, oh my god! You're so cute! You're gonna get in Daddy's car like that? Yeah.
I think what I realized on this walk is I'm out of shape and I need to exercise more. Woo-wee. What?
Come on. You're being lazy. Please, get up. Show them your little tag.
He doesn't like the camera, I don't think.
Yes, he does. He just does not like you. Nutritious. This is Austin's midday snack.
Well, I know, taking a break is gonna do a damper on how we were doing. I'll be happy if this video gets 100 views, but
that's not funny.
This is Katie.
Stop.
I don't know. I did like 3 vlogs.
Stop.
Hey, why did you scream so fake? This is Katie. Stop pinching me. And
stop recording me.
Well, you better get used to this because I'm gonna start doing this every day now. Stop! Ouch! You kicked the freak out of me. But yeah, so we're back and better than ever, and I'm gonna be for real this time about it, and I'm not gonna stop. And oh, I didn't even mention the biggest part. Give me 1 second. So I guess the biggest news is the fact that this is a new setting. It
was made by me.
I moved out of Graham's place. If you guys are past viewers, I know you're gonna miss Graham's place, but I moved on and now I am here, and this is my new apartment, our new apartment with Blaze. And look, here's this shelf, and then here's our room. It's very messy. There's my Dairy Queen. Oh, look at this cool addition. Those are Spider-Men. Aren't they cool? Mm-hmm. See if Katie was cooking tonight. That's bomb.
Stop it.
What's up, guys? Me and my best bud right here, Blaze, we're going to hang out with Quinn and Slim. And we're about to be going, as you saw in the title of this video, magnet fishing. This is the first time I've ever done it. I just bought this cheap ass magnet off of Amazon, and I'm gonna hope it works. All right, guys, we've arrived at our magnet location. Quinn is back in the vlog. He's with Blaze, and we're about to dual cam this thing because look at my GoPro. All right, I'm switching over to GoPro cam. And I am Blaze's.
I'll record from.
Look out!
I'll.
The freaking floor. I don't know how to do it. Like, go in there. How's the back go? Hold on.
Yeah. Did it go in even? Alright. This
thing's supposed to be attached to me, I think.
Okay.
So it doesn't...
Just suck it, man.
Huh?
That was something good. Maybe you enjoyed it.
God.
Blaze is telling.
this back.
A rock? Is it magnet? Is it magnetic? Test it out. Oh wow.
That's a magnetic rock.
Keep it over here. Just in case. Keep it on. We'll make we're magnet fishing for the state of Georgia. I'm zooming in on this frog. See it? Oh. This is a nature video.
Nature.
What do you have to say about nature?
I hate magnet fishing.
What do you
I'm
want?
just kidding. I want to catch something cool.
Yeah.
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 Cut real cool to me catching something cool.
I am. So, it's the first vlog back, and it's already going to shit. I'm just kidding. It's fun.
So we realized I suck at magnet fishing. Or this place just sucks to do it. I thought it'd be cool. I'm still gonna use it as a title and thumbnal.
Even though we magnet
We
fish,
caught a
like,
magnetic rock. I don't even know where it's at anymore.
Oh, you didn't find it? Damn.
But feels good to be vlogging again. Even though this is the worst vlog ever.
It's not the worst vlog.
We might try again in a minute when Slim gets here. Might. Blaze. Blazer. Blazer.
You hot, baby?
You're hot.
You're hot.
Guess who's back in the vlogs?
Oh my god. Oh crap.
You're breaking apart popsicles?
Oh, we're gonna have to...
What?
Do you have a water bottle? The dog one. I brushed my teeth. So it's like... Oh, this is really
yeah. I'm gonna attempt this again and hopefully catch something this time. What?
I'll hold this while you chuck it. Oh, look what the... What a terrible toss. He should let me do it now. I haven't even done it yet.
Slim's gonna throw it.
I think this is a good strategy. You'd think with that big old waterfall there'd be a lot of stuff to sit there.
See, it's harder than it looks. There ain't nothing in these waters.
Maybe a condom for a little kiss to find it and eat. Ooh, that scared me. I don't know why.
What? This dude, it feels weird to be vlogging again. I feel like I'm out of touch. I used to do it every day, and now
I just ate too. That's what I was saying. Oh, you know I ate.
So magnet fishing was a mega fail. First of all we caught was one magnetic rock, and then we lost it, and Blaze chewed through his leash. Yeah, you know what you did. So now we're going back to my crib, and we're gonna hang out there for a little bit, bruh. If you guys have never watched our KWA videos, they're classics. Don't y'all miss doing KWA? Joey wants to do another show. Slim, it's you.
Oh yeah.
Blaze, what are you doing?
Go away.
What are you doing, Blaze?
Blaze. No. How did that sound?
You were in a vlog, right?
Yeah, in Orlando.
We're back with Sam. Today's his 21st birthday and he did not get ID'd.
I was so pissed.
Okay, watch
Show you how
this.
crazy Blaze is. Sit. Good boy. Uh-oh.
Oh no.
Here, let me see you again.
Just watch it.
All right, guys. I hope y'all enjoyed this video.
Do it
We're gonna do it
again.
for Blaze one more time. Go.
He's doing it.
I'm editing this video right now, and I hope y'all like it.
I want to be in it.
I'll give y'all a little sneak peek for what the next videos are gonna be. Ow! I'll go to Disney.
Wait, no.
What the fuck was that? This is Austin's dildo. He shoves it up his